Harry Nimmo cranks up gearing after bumper. 2019 Aberdeen Standard Investments fund manager Harry Nimmo cranked up gearing after a bumper 2019 in which he delivered almost 60% to investors. The £578.6 million Standard Life Investments Smaller Companies Trust delivered a net asset return of 17.5% in H2 2019 on top of the 22.9% Nimmo delivered in the first half of the year, according to its interim results for the 6-month period ended the 31st of December 2019. The discount traded close to 8% for most of the year but closed 2019 with a 1.8% premium, bringing total share price returns to 59%. This is significantly higher than the 22.2% delivered by the numerous Smaller Companies Plus AIM over the same period. The performance in both NAV and share price terms is higher than the 37.9% delivered by his open-ended fund, RC UK Smaller Companies, which has already been highlighted as being the single best performer across 12 investment association sectors analysed by the BMO GAM multi-manager team. The open-ended fund has total assets of £1.9 billion. It is the strongest year for the trust since 2010 when share price returns were 70.5%. The results also highlighted that Nimmo has returned 1,610% since being appointed to the fund in 2003 compared to 353% in the benchmark. SLI Trust cranks gearing on Conservatives' election wins. Smaller Companies Trust Chairman Alistair Langlands, who is retiring in March, described the 2019 election as an economic and political watershed for the UK and noted the £20 million revolving credit facility was drawn in full shortly after the Conservatives' win due to Nimmo's greater degree of confidence in the outlook for smaller companies. Total gearing now sits at 3.4% due to £45 million of borrowings combined with £23.3 million cash. But Langlands added that the UK is at the start, not the end, of the Brexit process and that all the companies in which this company invests are going to be affected. The path chosen by the UK electorate is unlikely to be easy in the short term, he said, while reiterating Nimmo's ability to pick winners and avoid losers. He welcomed this week's announcement that Nimmo was stepping back as global head of smaller companies as it allows him more time to focus on managing the company. Langlands will be replaced by Liz Airy when he steps down. Nimmo buys back into Greg's media and customer-focused businesses remain the two themes running through the portfolio, said Nimmo in the update. He also likes companies with strong corporate cultures that pay bonuses to all staff, such as Games Workshop and Greg's. The Smaller Companies Trust added to Games Workshop and bought back into Greg's over the period, with Nimmo liking the latter's particularly effective PR surrounding its vegan sausage roll launch. The bakery chain along with AppDynamics were the only positions initiated over the period. He also added to a large holding in high-yield debt and mezz. For more on this story, visit the news article link.